Hello everyone, if you're trying to play Subnautica 2 and your game keeps crashing on your AMD graphics card, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Subnautica 2 crashing on AMD GPUs easily. So the first thing you need to do is you need to open up your game's platform. You're going to right click on Subnautica 2, go into properties, go into install files and then click verify entire video game files here. Once you do that, now what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and update your graphic card's drivers to the latest one. So you're going to open up your web browser, search for AMD GPU, go on to amd.com, then click onto resources and support and then drivers. You're going to scroll down, click onto graphics, Radeon RX and select your graphics card series along with the model and then click submit here. And then you're going to click onto your operating system and you're going to download the latest drivers here and you're going to check if that fixes your issue. It most definitely would. If it doesn't, then you can come back here into this window and then click onto previous versions and you can try downloading the second last version. So people have reported that this version works the best on Subnautica 2 for now. So you can try downloading this version as well and installing it on your computer. After you're done with that, now you can go ahead and restart your computer. Once you're done with the computer restart, you're going to go ahead and try to play the game now. You'll see that your game will now work. You'll not face that error anymore. So just guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you in my next video. Peace.